THINK+change trainings. www.thinkchange.training. Every Customer Matters, a THINK+change 6-part best practices training series, interacting with someone who is blind. Pre-test, true or false. Best practices for walking with someone who is blind include noting obstacles along your route and holding his or her arm. Identify yourself and speak directly. Treat a person who is blind as you would anyone else. Address him or her directly. Share your name and your role, such as security guard, usher, etc. Offer support and wait for direction. Many people who are blind do not need support. Ask what support is needed and wait for direction. If you don't understand, ask for clarification. Describe settings and obstacles. If mobility support is needed, offer your arm and let the individual hold it. Walk naturally. Describe the setting, noting obstacles such as stairs, up or down. If you give a warning, be specific. Ask before touching cane or guide dog. A cane is part of the personal space of the individual who is blind. Don't touch or move it. If it needs to be stored, share where you've put it. If the person has a guide dog, respect that dog is working. Mobility support. If mobility support is needed, offer your arm and let the individual hold it. Walk naturally. Post-test with answer. The answer is false. Best practices for walking with someone who is blind including noting obstacles along your route and letting him or her hold your arm versus your holding his or her arm. In summary, speak directly to a person who is blind. Offer support and wait for direction. Mobility support includes verbally describing obstacles. Ask before touching or moving a cane. Guide dogs are working and are not pets. Accommodations are the law. The Americans with Disabilities Act means that accommodating people with disabilities is not only a good business practice, but it is the law. For more information, go to www.ada.gov. THINK+change, talks, trainings, tools. This material has been prepared for informational purposes only and is not intended to provide and should not be relied on for medical or legal advice. Every Customer Matters. All rights reserved 2019. www.thinkchange.training.